New York congressman is in the thick of the wrangling, with Congress now under orders to put up or shut up on replacing Obamacare.
A vote is now scheduled in the U.S. House for 3 tomorrow afternoon on the Republicans' American Health Care Act. It doesn't go as far as some conservatives want, but New York Representative Chris Collins says it's really only a first step. Collins just spoke with Charles Molyneux, who joins us live in Rochester. Charles, would Collins lay odds on tomorrow's vote?
He would not. In fact, I asked him, and he would not. But Collins says he thinks it will pass, because anything else would be a victory for Democrats and Obamacare, something congressional Democrats like Rochester's Louise Slaughter say would be fine with them.
We have to have a vote tomorrow.
Western New York Congressman Chris Collins says President Trump told congressional Republicans it's time to come together and pass a bill to replace the Affordable Care Act or give up.
He expects it to pass, but he's moving on if for some reason it didn't. But his plea is to our party, to come together as a team and pass it.
After some intense meetings, a House vote on the American Health Care Act tonight was canceled.
I think if they were bright, they'd just drop the whole thing and let it go.
Tonight, Rochester Democrat Louise Slaughter is sticking to her opposition to any plan to repeal Obamacare and blasting a provision of the new bill to give counties like Monroe a break on paying for Medicaid and make New York State pay for it.
I think that they conned everybody, the people who voted for them, everybody else they talked to, as well as the president, all said we're going to repeal and replace right away on day one. They didn't have a bill. They still don't have a bill. Repeal, they thought they could do, but replace, no.
The president has been trying to wring votes out of the House's Conservative Freedom Caucus, whose members have been demanding a less expensive plan and a bigger change away from Obamacare. Tonight, Collins told News 10 the bill has moved as far as it can.
Anything that's added to get votes from the further right, the Freedom Caucus, are going to lose votes from some New Jersey, Ohio, or Wisconsin Republicans who are in a totally different environment. Call it a blue state. It's a vote tomorrow, and it's a vote to fulfill a campaign promise, or it's a vote to support Nancy Pelosi and maintaining Obamacare, which, by the way, is imploding before our eyes.
The real challenge is that some of the provisions that conservatives really want cannot get through the U.S. Senate with the Republican slim majority there. But Collins says there will be more to come in future bills. For example, giving people the opportunity to buy insurance across state lines when they find plans they like in other states, or limit medical lawsuits. Things he says can get through the Senate with the support of some Democrats. He also says that plan to give Long Island and upstate counties about $2 billion in relief from Medicaid costs will be in this bill. Reporting live in Rochester, Charles Molyneux, News 10 NBC.